is started by just waking up and went to the workout. This is a way for the going to Siagad College Road, and this is at 6 a.m. There is no one there. This is Nilkant Shoppy, and at that line there is the Venkatesh snacks, where I generally eat pohes and upma. This is Siagad Architecture College. First there is the Law College, but from now there is the Siagad Architecture. This is Springdale School. Here is the Central Library and MBA College where I studied, and nearby there is the Purandar and Devgiri Hostel for boys, and Torna and Vishalgad Hostel for ladies. Morning scheme, very high. This is Good Luck Cafe, where generally couples meet each other. You see this small hut? This is the office for security. All the payment distribution occurs here, and this is main office for security guard. This is the parking area for the Siagad College. If the parking of Kashibai Nole College over, then vehicles park here. This is the place. This is Lipton, where we can get coffee, tea, snacks. Like at the entry point of the Siagad College there is this cafe, but no one goes there. Why? But this is ambulance of Siagad College. You can guess how the environmental eco-friendly there. By number of trees are there, and there is a 100% pure oxygen because no one private vehicle allow here, and very oxygen full and fresh air there. This is our Siagad College for ENTC building. This is new building. That is the complete video photo. This is the parking place for the Siagad College for only SKN, and main college parking is there. This is the big then this parking. College is like the mountain type, means we have to walk on the mountain. Like that feeling we get by walking in the campus of the Siagad. Mainly our college is on the dongar like structure. This is the gate, and we came to the college. You can see the logo of the Siagad campus through the in Siagad Road, and like that. This logo on this building, you can see this logo, and this is the building for IT, computer and mechanical department, and the ground floor there is my department. There is more number of entry. This is one, and ahead there is also one. Morning there is very calm. No one is there, means only a few people are there for walking and doing exercise. This is the one of the entry for computer, IT and mechanical students. There is a -1 floor also. This is the place where the water for whole CA campus gets pure, and all the filtering process of the water. Here is that machinery and all that. You can see, guys. That is water treatment plant, Vadgaon campus. In overall hostel, there is distribution of the water, and overall of the campus there is get fresh water after filtering. This is the these are the staff quarters for the CA campus staff. This is dining hall, but I'm not come here for anything. This is the ladies shop. There is the Gate Fruit Center, milk parlor, gents flavory, and most of the things. This is a classic place. Here is the Berry Buddies, and on the bakery product, photocopy, Xerox machine are there. There is also a central bank. There is a laundry and all that. This is the main office of the, it means like estate office. This is side point of our college. Because there is a direct